G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd start this year off with, 2024? With last year's last pack, which was Paradox Rift in 2023. Alright, I really like this guy, the Roaring Moon guy, he's pretty cool. Now let's crack into it. I'm feeling a Leaf energy on this one.
I'm feeling lightning.
Just a one card trick. Oh, water. Remember guys, please like and subscribe. We want to grow this channel as much as possible. What are we going to get? Okay. Alright, nothing too crazy. Alright guys, we'll see you on tomorrow's video. Bye!